Let's do a snow angel. Let's do a snow angel for Mama. Like this. Flop your arms. Go like this. You can see Oliver's little impression. See, look. There's where your head was at. Yep, that's where your head was. Isn't that cool? Make footprints. Let's make footprints. Come on. Footprints. You make some footprints. It's okay, just deep snow. You got it.
Hey.
Can you get a snowball? Can you get it?
Ella.
You go at Mama.
Kenny.
He's going to get Mama. Hey. Do a little snowball? You do another snowball? Pick some snow up. Pick some snow. Use both hands. There you go.
Get Daddy.
Hey!
I know.
Oh, you got your nose, huh?
Hey, Oliver, can you blow a kiss to the camera? Blow a kiss. Oh, you gonna give the camera a kiss? Wave bye to the camera.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, grandmas and grandpas. Bye. I'll put some music on here.
Hi, Lulu. Lulu and Mama are in the snow. Look at all our snow. Everybody back on the west coast is loving the warmth. We're in the cold.